Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am doing this video to show you a unique way that I'm going to get pallets delivered. So I just cleared out my space. I got some Macy's clothing box that I'll be unboxing in the very near future, so be looking for those. And then of course I've got my candy boxes already ready. My candy pallet video went out today and 4 have sold almost immediately, so they're going like hotcakes already. And then of course I've got these pallets that I'll be unboxing as well. Got my pallet jack ready because we'll have to pallet jack it off of his truck, but he is not delivering it in a typical box truck like we normally see. He has a wrecker. He's my local guy that you already saw a video on. If you haven't seen that video, I'll tag it at the end of this one, but we're going to show you the very unique way he delivers these 3 pallets. All right, here he is. There's my 3 pallets.
See Sven.
Oh yes, Sven the deer. The frozen deer. Hey Jerry.
Howdy, howdy. Heather's gonna film you. You have a special talent for getting these off. Yeah. I drove really slow. I took the back road. Yeah.
That's talent right there.
Talent, look at that.
That's amazing.
You're the man, sir. That is awesome. Yep.
So you said you drove the back roads? Yeah.
Yes. Nice and slow.
Good thing we live so close, huh?
I can haul them in that box truck, but I don't have a Tommy lift.
Oh, gotcha, yeah. So if someone had a dock, then it'd be a lot easier with that box truck.
Yeah.
See where he puts them. Not quite fitting in there?
Oh, it's just bowling a little bit.
Gotcha.
Got a rock under a wheel, I think.
There's the first one. Looks pretty good. Nice. Getting the second one out. Bringing in Sven. I feel like you're sideways on that pallet.
Maybe.
It's talking. Something is talking in there. That's amazing how he does that. There you go. Ooh, that one looks heavy. Is that one heavier?
A little heavier, yes.
Awesome. No, it's good. You gonna park it right where I'm at? Awesome. That'll work.
Beautiful.
Awesome. Delivered pallets. Thanks, Jerry.
Yep, thank you.
All right, so that was super fun to watch him offload those pallets. So here's my 3 pallets that I got from my friend at Karz Recycling. He's got them listed on his website. Sven, quiet down. He keeps making noise over here. It's funny. Anyway, so I'm super excited. I'm going to put him on Facebook Marketplace for sure, and I think he'll sell super fast. Some cool shelving and totes that I know I'll be able to use in my business, but I'm going to look them up and see how much they're worth. And then this is the third one here with the Graco height chair. I've already actually scanned the barcode. I know these are going brand new on eBay for around $100. I'm going to make sure that this box has not been opened. If it has, then I'll sell it used for probably less than that. But I'm excited about what I'm going to find in the bottom of these boxes. They're considered customer return salvage from Karz Recycling. Shh, he's so loud. Anyway, I'm really excited about that. So it's awesome to find a local liquidator. And I'm going to show you exactly what's coming in these pallets. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.